Oh, is it coming? It's filling up this bit. It's dripping from this bit now.
Okay, make the mop bucket. Nice ginger.
No. That's what I said. You didn't want me to get the broom. You're like,
Must be a tile off, but I can't see.
I'll put the phone up there and record it and see.
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Wet tiles here.
Yeah.
But they're literally, and it's literally just dripped.
Okay. Does that mean there will be one here?
It just, sometimes roofs get wet.
Oh, is it coming? It's filling up this bit. It's dripping from this bit now.
Okay, make the mop bucket.
Yeah, so that's filling up, isn't it? That light. Do you wanna?
If you could just hold it there. Yes, right there.
Well, I suppose if no power was going here and no electricity was going here and it was just dripping, nothing would have happened.
This has got to be a very rare occurrence for us to leak in here.
Why?